to the meat of the topic. As you know, there's been quite a bit of talk about the lawsuit that has been going on related to what we call Obamacare. Some people call the federal health care law. A number of states are involved. It's up to 27 states right now. After this passed a law, and we know what it said, we refer to it as the individual mandate. It requires us to buy insurance from approved insurance from an approved vendor or face IRS penalty. And that's wrong. That's something that, of course, we don't like, but also the federal government does not have the power to force private citizens like us to buy a private product or face IRS penalty. That is not a power that Congress has. With the 27 states after the election, that is a tremendous development, and it bodes well for our side. Because to have over a majority of the states standing up and challenging the constitutionality of the law specifically is very encouraging. And a number of other states have also made encouraging. There are at least 3 levels that have to be won, though, for this ultimately to be decided, because this will go all the way to the Supreme Court. District Court, well, both cases have won at those levels. Then it goes to the Circuit Court. They're both in 2 different circuits, so we'll see what happens there, but things are looking good. And then ultimately, this will go all the way to the Supreme Court. That's where we are, and that's the direction we're headed. And before I take questions, I just want to remind people, you know, the Constitution is something I really care about. It's part of why I became a lawyer, to serve as a lawyer by understanding the Constitution, fighting for that. But one great thing about our Constitution, it's not for lawyers only. It's something that everyone can read and understand. And our American Republic rests on a foundation where every citizen can read and understand the Constitution and to hold their elected officials accountable under the Constitution, understand what that means.